What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jonathan Mattarelli and here we are cooking and loving, where we cook with love. Before we get into this video, I would like to say a special thanks to all of my subscribers who watched my videos and liked it and shared it. But in particular, a special shout out to the Proud to Be My Nayans group chat in Facebook. They help me a lot and subscribe to my channel, sharing to all of their friends. Now, let's get on to the video. Sigla! One of the main things that I love about Italy is that they have amazing desserts and many kinds of them. But in those desserts, there are probably like one main ingredient, and that one main ingredient is Crema Pasticcera, which in English is translated into custard. So that's what we're going to be making today, Crema Pasticcera or custard or whatever you like to call it. So the ingredients for today are 150 grams of egg yolks, not whites, 150 grams of sugar, 18 grams of cornstarch and 18 grams of rice flour, 1 vanilla pot and 500 milliliters of milk. Now the first step to be making this amazing crema pasticcera is to warm up the milk, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So we have 500 milliliters of milk, in she goes. We can put this over here. And now we're going to turn on the fire to about medium heat. Yeah. Okay guys, the second step is to cut the vanilla pod. Okay, so what you want to do is to flatten out your vanilla pod, just like that. Don't worry if you break it, and slice down or cut down the middle. And then you can open it up. Okay, once you open your vanilla pod, you get the top part of your knife and you get all the good stuff. Now we put this into the sugar. Just like that. This, do not throw it away. You can put it in the milk to give it flavour. In she goes. Now the vanilla pod is going to give the milk extra flavour, which is going to be really good. The next step, you throw in the egg yolks. Bloop, 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 bloop. It's fine. And now the sugar. And stir, whisk. Keep stirring until you feel that the sugar is dissolved. For me, about a couple more minutes. The next step is to put one of the two starches into our sort of cream, not cream yet. So we can do little by little. Just like that, and then the rest now. One down, next to go. This is the next one. Again, we're gonna put just a little by little. That's good. Don't put it all the way in because otherwise it's gonna go. Okay, the compost is done, as you can see. Now we can add a little bit of milk just to help it. I'm using a Mestolo or Ladle, so I'm gonna go get some milk. Start mixing again. Okay, I just just threw away my vanilla pod, and now we're gonna add all of the milk. So let's do that. I turned off the fire, by the way, so. Whisking again. Whisk until everything's mixed together, and then you can pour it back into the pan and turn on the fire at medium heat. That's exactly what we're going to be doing. Pour it. Turn on medium, from the fire to medium to let it cook little by little. And continue stirring. Okay, keep stirring because I can already feel that it's already getting a lot more, like the cream starting to appear. So I think I'm gonna turn off my fire in about 10-20 seconds, sorry. Okay, the cream is done. What you can do is you can put a little bit of butter into your cream to make it very silky. That's exactly what I do. That's exactly what I did. Now, here's what we're going to be doing. Okay, as you can see here, I divided my cream into 3 bowls that I got from the fridge, so it's nice and cool. So I'm going to try it first before we get started. Pretty good. So this is going to stay classic as it is, just like that. The second one, I'm going to be putting cacao, chocolate powder. Just a little bit, The classic cream is ready, the chocolate cream is ready. Now for the third cream. Now for the third cream, I'll be adding San Marzano, which is an Italian liquor that really brings out the flavor. Now San Marzano in creams, it's just really good. Okay guys, so all 3 of my creams are nice and cold, so they're ready to put into this glass to make a simple dessert. And then you'll be in Wonderland. So we're gonna get a little bit of cream, just fill up like 1/3 of the glass. Now chocolate. Okay guys, for the final touch, we're gonna get a little bit of amaretti biscuit all over, which I like to do. Okay guys, here it is, Wonderland right in front of you. Now for the taste test. This is gonna be good. I've got some white cream and some chocolate cream. Guys, try this recipe out, guys. Oh, really, really good. Amaretti biscuits go really, really well. I don't know how to explain it. It's really, very simple recipe. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video here. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I come out with a new video. Share to all of your friends and family. Ciao, ciao.